What's up, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to another MyBlueJK video. Today, we are going to be exposing the biggest scam in the automotive industry, and that is changing your oil. Now, this is one of the most easy things you can do to your own car, and it will save you a hell of a lot of money. So, to start off, we got a new air filter, new oil filter from Mopar, and some Mobil 1 oil. Now, of course, this tutorial is going to be Jeep Wrangler exclusive. However, if you know everything is on your own car, then you can absolutely do it yourself too. Step 1, gloves. So we got the oil drain pan down there in place, and now we're going to get started. First things first, we need to remove the engine cover in order to replace the oil filter. Now, the main reason that I wanted to make this video is just to show you guys that changing your own oil is very inexpensive compared to what a shop will cost, and also very simple. Now we are loosening the oil filter cap to get to the oil filter so we can then replace it with the new one. Now, as you could predict, this is a very, very messy process, so we're going to try to keep the oil spillage to a minimum. That also might be why a lot of people don't like doing this themselves. Now, it is very important to not let anything drop down here, especially dirt or any dust particles in general. This will help keep your oil and everything nice and clean. So here we have the new oil filter from Mopar, and we are going to be putting that directly into there. There's the new oil filter. Now just simply put the new O-ring back on. Now just tighten it down. So with the new oil filter in, we're going to go down underneath the car and begin to drain the old engine oil. So here we have the oil pan, and as you can see, that is the drain plug. We're going to be removing it, and the oil will flow down into our catch pan. So now with the oil drained, we can put back the plug back on, screw that back in, and move on.
You don't want to over tighten this, but you also don't want it coming out when you're driving.
So there's the oil filler cap that we are now removing so we can begin to fill up the Jeep with new oil. So now this Jeep Wrangler, the JK, takes 6 quarts of oil that we'll be putting in right there. Now that the oil filler cap is on, all that is left to do is simply replace the air filter.
So just say you line this up right here.
So now we are working on removing the air filter. Now this is just for convenience. We don't have to do this, but it does make it a little easier. So there's 2 clips back there you have to remove. There's a couple over here, 4 in total, just all the way around. Easy to pull this out. So there's 2 clips back there you have to remove. There's a couple over here, 4 in total, just all the way around. Easy to pull this out. The old air filter right there. New air filter back in there, like so.
It's centered the way it should be.
Simply just put these clamps back on. And tighten up the bolts. Last but not least, with that done, we need to reset the oil reminder inside the vehicle. So now to do that, you simply turn the key so the vehicle is on, but the engine is not running, and pump the gas 3 times slowly. Like so. If you did it correctly, it should pop up on your dashboard and say that you have 100% oil life remaining. Now, as you probably already know, Jeeps, they just don't sound good. Now, I do have some very, very exciting news regarding an exhaust for my Jeep Wrangler. Now, I have just ordered the Flowmaster Outlaw Axleback exhaust for my Jeep Wrangler. So that is supposed to be coming in next week sometime, supposedly Wednesday at the earliest. Now, hopefully next weekend, I'll be able to install it and get a review for you guys and put that up on the channel. So that means the entire muffler will be gone. It's gonna have dual exhaust tips. Things are gonna sound so good, I hope, at least from the videos I've seen. I'm really excited, and I'll have that video up soon for you guys. Well, that's pretty much gonna do it for today's video. If you want me to continue to upload videos like this, tutorials and whatnot, make sure to go hit that like button. As always, thank you for watching, and I will see you guys next time.